Seat mount kit for the Volkswagen Polo WRC. The base plate is made of one piece, and as you can see, there is a huge offset in the plate to reduce the lever in terms of torque reduction to the connection points. When the force is the same, the reduction of the distance between the connection points is enough to minimize the torque and eliminate the offset in front of the steering wheel. There are no counterparts or nuts below the base plate to reduce the assembly effort. The kit is not only designed but also manufactured completely in Germany. The goal was to have the lowest possible seating position without any offset in front of the steering wheel and to have a stiff setup. The key point is safety first, and this is why we run FE analysis and stress analysis with every single component. The kit also comes with every required mounting material, and it is made for the most bucket seats available on the market due to our long holes to adjust the seat in front of your steering wheel. As an optional item, you can also find sliders in our shop for this kit.